Welcome to 2024 Term 3, Class A, Practicing Video number 4. Now today we'll have a look first our concert piece 小美满. Then we'll have a look at the finger technique 2x2. Last, we're learning a new piece, Cops and Rubbers. The concert piece 小美满, we already learned the first 8 bars in the class. So let's try the first 8 bars. Make sure your fingers on the right note and counting the beat. Ready? Go. 1 N A 1 N 1 E N A 2 E N A 1 E N A 1 N 1 E N A 2 E N A 1 E N A 1 N 1 N 1 E N A 1 E N A 1 N A 1 E N A 2 E N A. Okay, now from the bar 4 in line 3, so we're talking about this bar, we have a note that cross out, so we make the first G a 1 beat long. That's why we call it 1 E N A here. Okay, now in the class we also have a look from bar 20. We have a look at the last 2 lines in the class, and then we found it quite similar as the start. Okay, there are 6 bars exactly the same. Some notes I already crossed off and we rearrange the rhythm. So the 6 bars from bar 20, you can play exactly the same as the start. Now we still got 2 bars that sounds different, so we're going to have a look at those 2 bars. The 2 bars that I'm talking about is from bar 26. The last 2 bars is different from the start. Remember we learned 8 bars already. Now the first 6 bars are exactly the same. Now we have 2 bars to learn. We have a look at bar 26 in the last line. We have C, 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 B. The rhythm is 1 E N A 1 N. The next bar we have a half note 2 beat. 1 E N A 2 E N A. Now together I will demonstrate these 2 bars. So I'm starting from a 2 as I wrote 2, repeating 5 times on the music sheet. So you can do 2 or you can do 1. Alright, there's 2 options. If you do 1, the number 2 gonna cross over and then number 1 coming back. Alright, let's try the finger 2 first. 1 E N A 1 N 1 E N A 2 E N A. If you choose to use 1, then it sounds like this. 1 E N A 1 N 1 E N A 2 E N A. So either choose 1 or 2, that's your option. Now I'm going to play from bar 20 up to bar 27. So when I say 20, you can find a small number at the beginning of each line that indicate the bar's number. So I'm going to start from here, play the whole line 4 plus 2 bars from line 5. Okay. 1 E N A 1 N 1 E N A 2 E N A 1 E N A 1 N 1 E N A 2 this week. If you're keen to learn some more, we'll also talk about 4 more bars, which is from the bar 28 to the next, to the ending of this phrase, which is the next page. Actually, we're gonna talk about up to here, bar 32 on the second page, first bar. Okay, so we do a couple more bars. Now we have a look at here, the third bar of line 5, the last line here. The first piece is a rest, and then we have a D and a C counting 1 N. The next bar we have a D, 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 C, 1 E, N, A, 1 N. And then the next bar, 2 beats, E, 1 E, N, A, 2 E, N, A. I'm going to demonstrate from here, bar 3, 4, and then 5. Now, listen. Rest, 1 N, 1 E, N, A, 1 N, 1 E, N, A, 2 E, N, A, 1 E, N, A. Sorry, I did a little bit more. Let's try that again. 1 N, 1 E, N, A, 1 N, 1 E, N, A, 2 E, N, A. Okay, 2 more bars. The last bar of page 1, you can see a great skip. Those 2 notes we call the octave. So if our little kids can't reach octave, you don't have to play them mechanically. You can just lift your hands up and reaching that one. So the rhythm is 1 E, N, A, 1 N. The next page, first bar, we have another half note. 1 E, N, A, 2 E, N, A. So together, let's listen to the sound. 1 E, N, A, 1 N, 1 E, N, A, 2 E, N, A. Okay, one more time. 1 E, N, A, 1 N, 1 E, N, A, 2 E, N, A. So you can see those 2 C is very far, so you don't have to hold this one and try to reach. Okay, that will slow you down. So you can play the first C, left hand up, and then reaching the higher C 3 times. Okay, so that's all from this way for the concert piece. Now we'll have a look at 2 by 2. So 2 by 2, just remember a few movements. When we're holding the first 2 key down, lifting the next 2 fingers as high as possible. When they do swap, make sure it's not too loud or too fast. Do the swapping actions gently, and then lift the other 2 up. Relax, get the next 2 fingers ready, swap, lift it up, and then release. Swap, lift up, and release. Next 2 fingers, lift up, swap, and lift the other fingers up. So the whole movement, we want to do it under control and do it very smooth and in a relatively relaxed status. Okay, let's try our right hand. 1, 3 first on C position. Left, drop, 2, 4, swap, release, 3, 5, left up and swap, release, 2, 4, left up, swap, release, left it up, swap, release. That's 1 circle on the right hand. Now left hands. 1, 3, drop, 2, 4, swap, relax, 3, 5, swap, relax, 2, 4, swoop, left, and 1, 3, swoop, and relax. Okay, so do it slowly. Each hand repeat 8 times. You can do right hand 4 times in a row, and then do a left hand, then do another round. Okay, next one, our last homework is the piano book, page 45, cups and rubbers. Cups and rubbers using the dot to the rhythm as well. Left hand is using the chord, staccato chord, but it come in on the second and a 4th beat. So it has a 2 rest in each bar, the first beat and then the 3rd beat. So make sure you're counting it, which hands play, which hands is resting. Now we have a couple octave sign. First one is on the second line. Last note have a AVA on C. That means these 2 C look the same, but the last one we're gonna play an octave lower. So that's something that students likely to miss. Make sure they are correct. Then we play the last line. The right hand go octave higher first. Left hand do octave lower. There is a repeat as optional, but because they are pretty repetitive already, so I'm not really picky on that repeat. So you can skip, just play once. But when you play the end of that piece, you have to go back to the beginning, do the first 2 lines again until the end of the second line. That's our real ending. Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, finish. All right, I'll demonstrate. So I will play with counting. Make sure you do the counting as well. 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, rest, 1 da, rest, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 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 da, rest, 1 da, rest, 1 da, 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 1. Still can't really see my head. Very low. 1 da, 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 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 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 da, rest, 1 da, rest, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 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 da, rest, 1 da, rest. Okay, now this way I want all the students to learn the note when you play, counting the beats. And in the class we talk about 2 characters. One is the cops. It's always the louder part for the cops because they try to catch the rubbers, and the sneaky part, very quiet, that's the rubbers. Make sure you play them dynamically different, and also do the articulations, means slur or staccato. Okay, keep practicing. Bye for now.